Create beautiful carousel cards. Canva gives Jetpack Compose. Open Canva. Size 300 x 520. Design the card. Search Snow Mountain in Elements. Select any image. Align the image position. Search beach and trees in Elements. Choose one image. Adjust the image position. Search Forest Adventure in Elements. Pick any image. Set the image position. Download as PNG. Paste all Canva-designed images into the Android project. Open the Android Studio Jetpack Compose project. Create the Travel Place data class. Initialize the travel destinations list. Set up Remember Pickers for the image carousel. Create the main column layout. Add top spacing using Spacer. Implement horizontal picture for swipe navigation. Retrieve the current page data. Animate the selected card with Animate Flotaste. Create a rounded card container. Add the destination image using image. Apply graphics layer scale animation. Set content scale. Crop for full image coverage. Add a gradient overlay with brush vertical gradient. Output of gradient overlay. Create the favorite icon container. Style the favorite button with glass morphism effect. Add the heart icon inside the circular button. Output of favorite icon. Align the content at the bottom of the card. Display the destination rating with a star icon. Add the destination title. Display the location with a location icon. Output of bottom content. Create the Gradient Explore button. Apply rounded corners and gradient styling. Add text and arrow icon inside the button. Preview the final animated Travel Carousel UI. 3 tips. Continue the Image Components series for more modern UI designs.